Why is building a website still so hard? Why does it take so much time, money, and stress? Why isn't there a faster, smarter way?
I think I may have a solution.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
You're most welcome.
Today, we're diving into something exciting. It's changing how we build websites. Are you a small business owner? Maybe a freelancer or creator? Do you need a website? But find traditional builders too complex. Or maybe hiring a developer is too expensive. You're definitely not alone.
Oh, thank you.
Building a professional online presence can feel daunting. It often requires technical skills or a significant budget. What if you could build your website?
Tell me.
Just by chatting? Sounds like science fiction, right?
Yes.
Well, it's real, and it's called Wegic AI. We're exploring this revolutionary no-code website builder. I'll show you how Wegic AI works. Before we jump into the features, I want you to experience Wegic AI yourself. It's seriously cool to see it in action. Wegic has a fantastic free plan to start. You can test its power immediately. Click on my special link in the video description below. Click that link right now and open it in a new tab. You can follow along as I explain. Chat with the AI. See your website generated instantly. It's the best way to understand Wegic. You get free credits to begin. Build your first site completely free. If you need more features later, like a custom domain, you can easily upgrade to the Pro plan. So go ahead, click the link in the video description below. Experience the future of website building. Okay, let's get into the details. First, let's talk about the no-code movement. What exactly is a no-code website builder? Simply put, it's a tool. It lets you create websites visually. You don't need to write any code. Think HTML, CSS, JavaScript, forget it. These builders use drag and drop interfaces or pre-designed templates. You customize layouts, add content, and publish, all without technical expertise. Why are they exploding in popularity? Several key reasons. Accessibility. Anyone can build a website now. It democratizes web development. Speed. Launching a site is much faster. Go from idea to launched website quickly. Cost. It's far cheaper than hiring developers. Great for startups and small businesses. Empowerment. It puts control in your hands. Update your site whenever you need. No-code tools bridge the gap between having an idea and having a website. They are perfect for the target audience. SMBs, solo entrepreneurs, non-tech users, they remove the traditional barriers. Now, where does Wegic AI fit in? Wegic is a no-code website builder, but it adds a powerful twist, artificial intelligence, often in about 60 seconds. This chat-based approach is revolutionary. It makes website creation conversational, intuitive, and incredibly fast. It's a next-generation no-code website builder, powered entirely by Wegic AI. This makes it truly unique. Most no-code tools give you templates or a drag-and-drop canvas. You still do the manual work, choosing elements, arranging layouts, etc. Wegic AI works differently. You don't browse templates. You don't drag and drop initially. You chat with an AI. Think of it as hiring an AI website team. Wegic positions itself as exactly that, your personal AI web designer, your AI web developer, and even your AI website manager. You tell the AI what you need. I need a website for my bakery. Focus on cakes and online ordering. Use a warm, friendly style. And Wegic AI gets to work. It understands your requirements through conversation. Then it generates a custom website design. Let's break down the key features. What can this AI website team do? First, meet Kimmy, the AI designer. This is where the magic starts. You initiate a chat. Describe your business or project. Specify the type of site, for example, portfolio, business site. Choose a name, style, and language. Kimmy asks clarifying questions. It deeply understands your needs. Wegic AI's understanding is getting better, more accurate than ever before. Then, Boom. In about a minute, Kimmy generates a complete website draft. Need changes? Just tell Kimmy. Make the header image different. Change the color scheme to blue. Add a section about my services. Wegic AI now supports partial modification, making edits is faster and easier. You refine the design through chat. It's interactive and surprisingly intuitive. Next up is Timmy, the AI developer. Once your design looks perfect, you need to get it online. Normally, this involves hosting domains, technical stuff. With Wegic AI, Timmy handles it. Publishing is literally one click. Want to use your own domain name, like yourawesomebusiness.com? Timmy helps you bind your domain easily. No complex DNS settings to wrestle with. No coding is ever required. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Timmy makes going active effortless. Finally, there's Turi, the AI manager. Websites need ongoing management, updates. Turi takes care of this aspect. You don't need to manually update constantly. Leave it to the AI manager. But Turi has another cool trick. She can generate an AI digital avatar for you. This avatar can be on your website, ready to serve visitors 24/7, answering common questions, engaging users. It adds a futuristic touch and provides constant customer interaction. And the industry is noticing Wegic AI. It was a runner-up in Product Hunt's 2024 Golden Kitty Awards. In the highly competitive no-code category for 2024, that's significant recognition. It shows Wegic AI is a serious contender, a powerful no-code website builder. Okay, well, let's talk about cost. How much is Wegic AI? The great news, you can start for free. Yes, Wegic AI offers a free plan. This lets you test everything out, generate your first website, experience the AI chat creation, see the quality for yourself. It's perfect for getting started. However, the free plan has limitations. You'll use a Wegic subdomain like your site.wegic.app, and you get a certain number of credits. The Wegic badge will appear on your site. Need more power? Want a custom domain your name.com? Need more credits for complex sites? Want to remove the Wegic badge? That's where the paid plans come in. Wegic offers upgrade options, starter, and premium. These unlock the full experience. More features, more customization, custom domains. Pricing is competitive for a no-code website builder. Especially considering the AI capabilities, they accept various payment methods. Credit cards, debit cards, Google Pay, PayPal, Amazon Pay. Upgrading is straightforward on their site. Canceling is also easy if needed. Just follow the steps in your account settings. Be aware, if a paid subscription ends, your custom domain site will be unpublished. The Wegic badge reappears. You stop getting premium credits. Your site might stay active briefly on the Wegic domain, but you'll need to republish. So start free, then upgrade when ready. Let's summarize the key benefits of using Wegic AI. Incredible ease of use. Just chat. It's the simplest way to build. Perfect for non-techies. Blazing speed. Get a website draft in seconds or minutes, not days or weeks. No coding required. Absolutely zero technical skills needed. Truly a no-code website builder. AI-powered customization. Get unique designs based on your needs. Not just generic templates. AI helps with edits too. Cost-effective, much cheaper than hiring professionals. Free plan to start. Affordable upgrades, all in one solution. Design, development, publishing, management. Even an AI avatar, handled by the AI team. Professional results. Creates modern, functional websites suitable for businesses. Accessibility empowers SMBs, small teams, individuals worldwide. Anyone can establish an online presence. Wegic AI genuinely lowers the barrier to get a professional website online. It's a powerful tool for its target audience. So, what's the bottom line on Wegic AI? It's a truly innovative no-code website builder. Its core strength is the AI chat interface, making website creation conversational and fast. You get an AI designer, developer, and manager. It's designed for SMBs and non-technical users, people who need a professional site without the hassle. It offers a free plan to get started, with paid options for advanced features like custom domains. It's recognized as a top player in the no-code space. If traditional website builders seem too complex, Wegic AI offers a refreshing alternative. That's our look at Wegic AI, the AI-powered no-code website builder. I'm genuinely impressed by its approach. It makes web design accessible to everyone. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried a chat-based website builder before? And seriously, give Wegic AI a try.
Yeah, you should.
Experience it firsthand. Click the link in the video description below to get started with Wegic AI for free. Start building your website today. Chat with the AI, see what it creates. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks so much for watching. Now go build an amazing website. I'll see you in the next video.